Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're checking out another portable Bluetooth speaker, this time from Bose. It's a bit pricey, but I've had pretty good experiences with Bose lately, so let's see what the new Soundlink Flex 2nd Gen is all about. First things first, the speaker is seriously compact. It's got a sleek, modern look with a metal grille on the front and a thick silicone back that also protects the buttons. It's super easy to toss into any bag or even a wide pocket. Needless to say, it feels rock solid and it comes with an IP67 certification to prove it, making the speaker both dustproof and waterproof. The speaker weighs 540 grams, so it's not going to weigh you down. All buttons are up top: power, Bluetooth pairing, a customizable shortcut button, and your usual volume and play/pause controls. The buttons are slightly concave, so they're actually easier to press than they might look in the video. On the side, you've got a USB-C port for charging. Bose includes a short USB-C to USB-A cable, but annoyingly, the speaker is missing an aux jack. Let's talk about the battery. The speaker lasts up to 12 hours, but your mileage will vary depending on the volume. On higher volumes, it's bound to be less than that. This isn't amazing battery life by any means, but what's even more problematic is that it takes up to 4 hours to fully charge a completely drained battery. For a pocketable, everyday carry speaker, this is just a bit impractical. On a more positive note, the speaker's Bluetooth 5.3 connection is excellent, and you can even pair two devices at once. I've been switching back and forth between my desktop PC and phone for weeks now without a single hiccup. You can also walk a pretty good distance with your phone in your pocket before the speaker starts to act up. During video playback, there's a minor amount of latency. It's not nearly enough to bother me personally, but if you are sensitive to even the smallest details, this might be a noteworthy downside for you. The Bose companion app generally comes recommended. Here you'll find an admittedly basic 3-band EQ, options for the shortcut button, and many other small features worth exploring. Interestingly, the speaker also boasts a built-in microphone for taking incoming calls. It doesn't sound amazing, of course, but it's a practical feature nonetheless, and it works just fine for a quick conversation. But of course, you don't care about any of that. You want to know how it sounds, right? Well, to be frank, it's pretty damn good. The sound is clear and crisp, surprisingly so even. I noticed it immediately after testing the speaker for the first time. This isn't the kind of sound you'd expect from a speaker this compact. It is seriously impressive. Then again, with an asking price of around 150 euros, it's priced above average as well, so we should expect exceptional sound quality in return. For my ears, I enjoy tweaking the mids and the top end just a little bit, but realistically most people will never need to touch the EQ, cause it sounds great straight out of the box. There's a decent amount of punchy bass, again more than what you would anticipate from a device this small. And it doesn't even have a dedicated woofer or tweeter, just the two front-facing drivers in a very slim box. How Bose manages to pull off such an impressive range in this little thing, I have no idea. And while this might sound like I'm praising the speaker to the moon, there is something to keep in mind. This speaker is not going to fill larger spaces. The max volume isn't insanely loud, and at higher volumes you'll start to hear some distortion. What I will say though is that it's a fantastic office, desk or bedroom speaker. A small gathering around a picnic table is about the limit for this tiny powerhouse. In summary, the Soundlink Flex 2nd Gen is punching way above its weight when it comes to sound quality. Unfortunately, the battery life is only mediocre. A rock-solid build, paired with an equally solid connection, makes for a compact, rugged, everyday carry speaker that comes highly recommended for smaller spaces both indoors and outdoors. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching and of course, have a wonderful day.